Thinking of replacing the windows in your Emporia, Kansas home? Before you dive into a DIY window replacement project, it's crucial to know the potential risks. While on the surface, a window replacement may seem simple enough, just remove old windows and install new ones, it's actually a complex task. If you don't know what you're doing, you could end up damaging your new windows or even your home. That's why the only surefire way to ensure your fiberglass window installation is a success is to have trained professionals handle it for you. A professional service provider will get the job done quickly and correctly while taking into account building codes, energy efficiency requirements, and weather conditions that could affect your project. They also have access to quality materials and know-how that you may not have as a DIYer. In the end, the money you might save with a DIY project just isn't worth the risk. The initial cost of hiring a professional window installer ensures you'll get the most out of your investment. If you need professional fiberglass window replacement, contact Midland Exteriors today for a free estimate.